Thank you.
Next up is one of our favorite songs. This has been covered by Nina and Peggy Lee and Judy Collins.
And Karen Underwood.
Karen Underwood, yeah. And written by Randy Newman.
Broken windows and empty hallways, a pale dead moon and a sky streaked with gray. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Scarecrows dressed in the latest styles, with frozen faces to keep love away. Human kindness is overflowing, and I hope it's gonna rain today. Lonely, lonely. 10 can at my feet. I think I'll kick it down the street. 10 can at my feet. I think I'll kick it down the street. Why not? It's the way to treat a friend. Bright before me, the sun